All right, so I'm really excited to be checking out the Blackstone 28-inch griddle with the hard cover. This is the 2269 version from Blackstone. We also have the 28-inch Pro Series griddle cover that we're going to check out and review as well. It says it's easy to assemble with assembly in 30 minutes or less, so I'll be the judge of that. But in any event, let's get right to it. Frankly, there's not many pieces that came with it, so if this all there is to put everything together, I really do think it should be, under 30 minutes here. Once we've attached those to the sides of the shelves, they should be good to go. Instructions say to loosen these two bolts on the left side of the griddle, not to remove them, but just to loosen them. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, and so for the shelves here, all it took was loosening the two screws on both sides for a total of 4 screws, sliding it on top, and then re-screwing down the 2 that we loosened from each side, and then adding 1 into the middle, and we're nice and secure.